and Our World, SSD, Chapter 11, Transport in Modern Times, Question and Answer. A. Pick the correct option. Question number 1. Development in science and technology has replaced. Answer. Steam engine. Question number 2. What is an indicator of the level of development of a country? Answer. Transport. Question number 3. It is the fastest and most comfortable means of transport. Answer. Airways. Question number 4. The length of India's coastline is? Answer. 7,617 km. Question number 5. Which is the busiest air route in India? Answer. Mumbai to Delhi. B. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Efforts are being made to reduce the consumption of petrol and gas. Answer. Diesel. Question number 2. National highways link all days of India. Answer. States. Question number 3. This water transport is mainly for trade and tourism. Answer. Overseas. Question number 4. Increase in transportation cost is added to the dash of an item. Answer. Price. Question number 5. These roads are constructed along the border for the movement of army. Answer. Border road. Question number 6. Vehicles cannot run without gas. Answer. Fuel. C. State whether true or false. Question number 1. Roads have encouraged national unity through. Question number 2. The first train covered a distance of 134 kilometers. False. Question number 3. Earlier pipelines were used for the gas transportation. False. Question number 4. Use public transport system to reduce traffic on roads. True. Question number 5. Crude oil is supplied by trucks to the oil refiners. False. D. Answer briefly. Question number 1. Mention 2 problems created by increasing road traffic. Answer. Increasing road traffic have created problems like air pollution can lead to variety of health issues. Noise pollution can lead to high blood pressure, sleep disturbance. Land pollution lead to loss of fertile land for agriculture. Road accidents happen due to overspeed rash driving. Question number 2. What are the advantages of airways? Answer. Air transport is the fastest mode of transport. It is high speed and capable of travel long distance in short period. Hundreds of passengers and tons of cargo can be transported. It can fly over mountains, deserts, forests and over water bodies without any problem. It is the only mode of transport to reach the most remote and distant areas. Question number 3. Which is the best mode of transport? Why? In my opinion, railways are the best mode of transport because they are economical. They can carry large number of people at a time. They reduce traffic consumption. Question number 4. Name any 2 renewable sources of energy. Answer. Renewable energy comes from sources that are naturally renewed, such as solar energy from the sun, hydropower from the flowing water. Wind energy is actually a byproduct of the sun. Biomass from plants. Geothermal energy from heat inside the earth. Question number 5. List two changes that have improved railways in recent times. Answer. Changes in railways in recent times. Steam engines are replaced by diesel and electric engine. E-ticket and I-ticket facilities are available. Extension of railroads. Better facilities on railway platforms. Quality of food and clean railway. E. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. List three ways in which a well-developed transport system affects the lives of people. Answer. It helps to reach them, people, goods quickly from one place to another on time. It provides and generates employment opportunities in the country as well. Transportation has helped to change life through enable trade, travel and exchange. Question number 2. In which four ways are railway better than roadways? Answer. Railways are better than roadways in four ways. Railways can transport large number of people and materials in cheaper and faster manner. Facilities which are provided in railway cannot be provided in roadway. It is also least affected by traffic jams. It is eco-friendly mode of transport. Question number 3. Name the items transported by pipeline transportation. Mention two advantages of pipeline transportation. Answer. Through pipelines we can transport crude oil, petroleum products and natural gas. The two advantages of pipeline transportation are: pipeline can be laid on any type of surface without damage from the storms, rains, snow, etc. Pipeline cut the recurring cost of transport of materials. Question number 4. Briefly describe the different types of road in India. Answer. A. Define national highway. Answer. National highway are the main road network in the country by linking all the states of India. NHAI National Highway Authority of India build and look after the highways. B. Define state highways. Answer. State highways are the roads that connect state capital with different districts within the state. These roads are maintained by state government. C. Define district and village roads. Answer. District roads are the branch roads that connect district headquarters with other places of district. Village road link the village with town. D. Define border road. Answer. Border road constructed and maintained by BRO, Border Road Organization. This is important for defense of our country and the movement of army. Question number 5. How can renewable sources of energy help in reduce pressure on petrol and diesel? Answer. The renewable sources of energy such as solar energy, wind energy, etc. are available from the nature. They can be used and reused. They do not cause any type of pollution. Renewable energy comes at lower costs. Thank you.